We're finally done with the AZT. Made it 803 miles from Utah all the way to Mexico. I am absolutely thrilled with the accomplishment, and I just wanted to give you guys one final trail update. Obviously the videos from this whole experience won't be posted for probably a few more weeks. I have a lot more footage to go through, and some of my favorite footage is coming up real soon, so please stay tuned for that. We're out here tonight in the Four Peaks-ish area. It's not the wilderness area. It's on the road to get up to Four Peaks. We found a little turnoff that we camp at. So I'm meeting some of my friends out here, and we're gonna have a celebratory cookout and a little fire and just hang out and reminisce on good times in the outdoors together. I'm gonna try and share a little bit of that with you guys so you can feel the excitement and celebrate with us a little bit from wherever you are. So a little bit about this area that we're camping in. The Four Peaks Road, also known as FR 143, takes you up to the leftmost peak of the Four Peaks, just beneath it, up to the wilderness boundary, where the Arizona Trail actually goes through. So this area has some significance to the hike. You guys will see that in a few weeks. But as we're out here enjoying the resource, we're also going to leave this place better than we found it. Sadly, the whole area going up to Four Peaks, on this side at least, has all sorts of little turnoffs into the desert where people have turned the various hillsides into a shooting range all over. And a lot of those folks have a tendency to leave their brass in the desert along with any of their things they were shooting at. I've come out here and I've seen refrigerators and sofas and washing machines just left out in the desert after people shot at them, as if it's not their problem anymore. It's really sad to see that, but fortunately the Forest Service out here has organized several cleanups of the area recently. But as you'll see from some of this footage, there are still some areas that either haven't been touched or they've since been abused since these cleanups. And I know the last one was only about a month ago. So it's kind of sad to see, but we're gonna do our part and ensure that we protect the nature in the area that we use and respect it so more people can come to this spot and really enjoy it and appreciate all the life that's around. Enjoy this little montage of celebration, and thank you again. I have to thank you guys so much for the support through this entire Arizona Trail journey. I could not have done it without the support of all of you. I am truly humbled. Thank you so much for your support. And stay tuned for some of the best Arizona Trail footage coming up next week at the usual time, usual place, all that good stuff.